You cannot completely disable WhatsApp calls on iPhone. If you want to disable WhatsApp calls on your iPhone to avoid interruptions, there are a couple of simple ways where you can manage this. So, firstly, turn off WhatsApp call notification. This method stops WhatsApp call from triggering any notification but still allows them to come through. Open settings on your phone, then scroll down, tap on apps. Inside apps, look for the WhatsApp and tap on it. Once you tap on the WhatsApp, you will be navigated to the WhatsApp settings. Then there inside the WhatsApp you can see notifications option available in the red highlight. Simply tap on the notification. Then under notification style you can see allow notification option available there. Toggle off it. This will stop call notification from appearing, but the call itself will still ring. Or if you want to stop receiving call from a specific person, then you can also block that person. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.